Alright, so this is going to be kind of odd. So, for the last 6 months, I've been studying law, history, pretty much anything you can think of that has to do with the way my life, pretty much not everyone's life, but mostly my life, but the way my life has been. I've always asked myself why. Like, how is this possible? Like, this isn't how life's supposed to be. You're born. You're not supposed to be like, we're not supposed to struggle. So I've been talking to ChatGPT, and I've been reprogramming it. And I'm just going to scroll through this last section and let you see. I've been trying to use UCC contract law and the trust that's within our name. Actually, it's called the Strawman and it ends Legis. I've learned this from a man named Brandon Joe Williams. He's a great man. He has a website called onestupidfuck.com. I highly recommend going there and signing up for the free course, and you'll learn a lot. I'm just going to scroll through slowly, and then you guys can just pause on those sections. You know what I mean? I'll go through like this and stop, and then as the video plays out, you can just pause it just so I can get through this real quick. I'm doing so many more of these. What's happening down in Asheville, North Carolina, and down there, it literally is breaking my heart, and I can't afford to go down there. So this is what I'm trying to do to go down there. As you can see, they made a fake person with your name, and you never knew about it. There's a trust in your name and your social security number without the dashes, and they put a P at the end. Your all caps name as you see it on your license, your birth certificate, or any bill that you get. That's all contracting laws.